YouTube. Today I am going to be making a portable USB receptacle. Well, some of y'all may call them outlets, but I'm going to make this portable so that you can take this and plug it into any other outlet and have access to the USB ports and the two other outlets on the go. So what I have is the actual outlet, USB outlet, tamper resistant. Then I have a 3-prong plug. I have a deep handy box so that my wires and everything can fit comfortably. I have a Romex connector, which is going to hold the wire inside of the box. And I've already pre-stripped my wires. This is 14 gauge wire, heavy duty cord. So let's start. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna connect the cord to the plug, and I'm gonna do so by putting this in here, and we are going to connect. It doesn't really matter what color goes to what, but I like gold to go to black, silver to go to white, and of course green can go to green, which is the ground. And I'll take the screw all the way out because you get a better connection when you get to wrap it around there before you put the screw back. And these plugs are like so easy to put these things on here. It's not like an old extension cord that you're trying to fix or something, you know, with the 2 wires inside the one little plug. I like how this thing comes apart. Come on. Alright, so we got one in. Alright, that's one down. Now we're going to come around and we're going to do the white one next. So in order to do the white one, we're going to take this thing all the way out. Oh, they definitely don't want that off. We're going to wrap some wire around it. Oh yeah, and I am at work, so I may have to pause this video and actually do some work if required of me. So excuse me if that does happen. Okay, so we got other plug ready to go. I mean, this other screw and wire combo ready to go. Come on, get in here. I am having one of those moments. I don't want to strip my wire no more because I don't want too much exposed. So I just gotta take my time, but I don't want my video to be super long. People won't watch a super long video, especially if it's not really about nothing, if it ain't no twerking or nothing in it. Fellas, maybe I should put some twerking cuts in my video, like just chill for a brief intermission. Alright, so for the ground wire, I am not going to unscrew that all the way out. I am, however, going to jam it in there and tighten it. Now we got a pretty secure connection, and we're going to close this thing up, which is like this. And where's it at? Where's it at? Come on. And there we go. And of course, screws. Screws. Alright, this thing is acting like it don't want to screw back in. And that is it. Oh, it's only a few turns, huh? You guys make it really simple. Alright, so we got this part of the cord done. Let's see. There we go. I had too much stripping going on. Some of that cord sticking out of there. I'll make sure we tighten this up really good. And this thing is almost weather resistant a little bit. And here is one end of the plug. So if I was to plug this in right now with this live in, that would be awesome. No, it wouldn't. All right, now we have the outlet, receptacle, excuse me, in professional terms. And of course we have our 3 wires. And we're going to knock a hole out of one of these. Got that out of there. And I'll take this. And that's how the roll neck connector goes in to hold the wire in. As you can see, that's what this one look like when I tighten it up. So next thing we do is, I got my drone in my desk. I might do a review on this thing. Let me get this out the way. Why you got a drone at work? Because sometimes I fly my drone around the warehouse. And wire nuts, and same thing, color coded, green to green, black to black, white to white. What it go? Green to green. Oh, these are some pretty decent wire nuts. No, they not. Take that back. If I have to use bigger wire nuts, I may have an issue because of the space inside the box, so we're going to have to try to make this work. And I am not digging that at all. Okay, I'll be right back. I have to go get some different wire nuts. I'm coming. Alright, I'm back. These regular wire nuts are going to have to do. Hopefully it don't take up too much space, so... Alright, let's see. And that is how a wire nut is supposed to work. So, I'm really trying to avoid stripping as much of this wire as possible. So, that's why it's so short. And this is rushing. I mean, it's not like it's going to have an appearance to it or anything, but this is just a rush job, and it's still going to be connected properly. These are perks of working in an electrical supply company. I mean, no, the stuff wasn't free, but it wasn't full price either, so I figure, you know, why not do a little bit of something. So now comes the fun part, jamming all of this up in there. Let's see, 11 minutes. Oh my god, this video is too long. I don't want to have any views. Okay, and we are going to getting screwed in now. Oh boy. Alright, and we have, last but not least, the cover. Oh, excuse me. Bless me. Okay, so it appears this cover will have to take the place of both these screws, so I'm going to be using these long screws to put the cover on. I hate it when I screw something in and then gotta screw it back out. Oh my god, that's the worst. So now we are going to go back to the drawing board with the screws. And I am pretty much done. Alright, so it's finished. My portable USB outlet. And let's plug something up. So I'm gonna unplug my phone, which was charging. And I am going to plug this thing into this thing. And no sparks, nothing's blown out or anything. Now we are going to take the iPad. Okay, so we got the iPad and we are going to plug it up. Now let's see if my contraption works. So we're going to plug my USB in and I have power. So this is my portable USB outlet, and I made this just cause, but let me get back to work. I'm out. Thanks for watching.